Tesla Cybertruck manufacturing confirmation units spotted in new drone video. It's finally happening. After almost 4 years since its introduction in November 2019. The Tesla Cybertruck is just one step away from going into production as a finished product. According to a new video from drone operator and Texas Gigafactory follower Joe Tegtmeyer. Shot yesterday morning, the half-hour-long video reveals Tesla has built at least 2 so-called manufacturing confirmation units of the Cybertruck. Tegtmeyer referred to them as master candidates. As per the video, these pickups were about to be seen by the company's top brass yesterday afternoon, to give the final stamp of approval before customer intent assembly begins later this year. The 2 shiny new EVs are the first Cybertrucks to emerge from the Texas Gigafactory after it was closed for upgrades and improvements to the assembly line. And according to prominent Tesla insider Gregor Truck, who commented on the discovery on X, formerly Twitter, they have better build quality than the units that came before them, with a flush frunk, no more marks on the tonneau cover, and better plastics inside. Furthermore, there are recovery hooks installed and safety notice labels stuck on the sun visors. And the steering wheel is the updated variant that was spotted a couple of months ago, looking like a combination of the controversial yoke and the traditional round wheel we all know. In the video embedded at the top of this page, Joe Tegtmeyer says that based on what he knows, upcoming Series 8 Cybertrucks might be shipped to Tesla stores to be seen and tested by prospective customers, with the subsequent Series 9 vehicles representing the final variant that will be sold and shipped to reservation holders who follow through with their purchase. In related news, Elon Musk recently hinted at a performance version of the all-electric pickup, saying in a comment on X from a couple of days ago that he drove it and it kicks ass next level. We don't know what that means in relation to the other all-electric pickups on the market today, like the GMC Hummer EV or the Ford F-150 Lightning. But we assume it might have something to do with another one of Musk's internet comments from December 2021, when he said that the first Cybertruck units will have a quad-motor layout. Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.